My name's Logan. In this video, we are going to be opening up the Zombie Strike Chainsaw. So let's get to it. The chainsaw looks pretty cool. And the cool thing is that, you see that? If you have like other of those zombie striker guns, you can clip it on here, so then you can just go like, oh no, this zombie, and grab it, boom, boom, and shoot the zombie if you want. And I just love the detail. Just love how it's like bumpy here and the holes and stuff, and I love how they didn't just take these away and just have it flat. They made it textured. Oh, and I also love the gears. And I just think this is an awesome weapon. So I'm gonna show you how to take down a zombie. Here comes the zombie. So now I'm gonna try to take out a zombie. So first, if he has guns, you might want to block it with your thing. Then you want to go for his limbs. And make sure to block his gun. If you know that to shoot. And cut off his legs. And you try to take out his legs. Go down. Now I took out his legs. And now I'm gonna cut off his head. Then you might want to go for the final blow. Stab. Now we are gonna go for the final blow. I beat the zombie. Logan always beats zombie. Oh no. Ah! Do not play my game with that video. Would you like it? Subscribe! Can I have it now? Can I have it? I figured out something about the chainsaw, which I want to show you guys, and I didn't even know that it doesn't. When I was filming the last day, well, do you see that? That's there. It makes a chainsaw sound. See? So when you push it, it makes the sound of a chainsaw. Then you can just... So that's pretty much it.